And I think we have our first set of ticket winners riding up to the window. Good morning. How you doing? What is your name?
Amanda.
Amanda. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow night. Heading to ticket stop number 2. Dude, I just had a guy driving up to me right now.
I found you. Yes, sir.
He found me. What's your name?
Kill.
Kale?
Yes, pleasure to meet you.
You here for tickets?
Yes, sir. I got you.
There you go.
That's awesome.
Enjoy your day. We'll see you tomorrow night. Stop number 3, Sam's Club. Call me. Yes, I can hear you. Sandy just won tickets, and your niece is going to the actual awards. You're welcome so much. You do the same. Bye. One more, and then I'll be right back. So this is what Herbert traffic's like. Alrighty then. I'm riding a motorcycle. Yeah? Yeah? No? Would you like some tickets? What's your name? It's tomorrow night. Pleasure to meet you.